Hey, it's me Jackson. Today I'm going to show you how to feed the bird that they are not tramp or hand raised. So I bought a bird that from some shop near my house. It's only like $50 and they are scared of me and they scream really loud. So this is my trick that to feed the bird that they are not used to you. They are not tramp, they might bite you, but here is the trick. So the bird I bought is a cockatiel. I'm not quite sure what's a male or female, but look at that cheek. Hey, by the way, I named him Gucci because I love Gucci. What's that? What the hell is he doing? Is he yawning or he's gonna bite me? So as you can see, he quite nervous. Stand close to me. So what I do is I use the stick to try to get him up, and then after I treat him with the food. Obviously I can't hand feed him. So this is what I do, and you have to do it quite couple times until he get like used to it, and you have to keep doing it for like every day if you have a time. And I'm not quite sure how old is he or she, but when I bought him they said he's like 18 months, but I reckon he's older